Guess what came in the mail today? I've been waiting for this package for the freaking longest. Little backstory, I've been wanting something for Rare Beauty for the freaking longest, but I just never got myself to buying it. But a few days ago, I made the decision to spoil myself and get something for Rare Beauty. So I got 3 things from there and I'm so excited. I love Rare Beauty so much. Like, my goal one day is to have all of their makeup products. One day I'll own all Rare Beauty's products. But I'm not trying to expose my address. Realistically though, I don't know how to open this. Oh, hold up. Sorry, this ain't gonna be aesthetically pleasing. Ta-da! This is what the inside looks like. Aww. I want to welcome you to the Rare Beauty, a community full of life, diversity, and a place where you're celebrated for simply being you. Ooh, shop labels look. The packaging, 10 out of 10. I got a free tote. By the way, I ordered these things from the Rare Beauty website because Sephora didn't have what I wanted, so I got it from Rare Beauty's website. Working with this tote, this is so cute. And I got myself the Soft Pinch blush in the shade Worth. This is the shade. It's so delicate. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna treasure this for my entire life. My first Rare Beauty blush. I've always wanted these so bad, and the fact that I actually bought this with my own money. Ugh. And then the next thing I got is another blush in the shade Virtue. These are the limited edition shades, so I got them off her website because Sephora wasn't selling them anymore. They kind of look the same, to be quite very honest. One is just more pinky, one's more like reddish. And this one's more pinky, this one's more like maroony red. Last but not least, this is the thing I was waiting for. This With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm in the shade Support. Oh my god, when I saw this, I was like, I need... Oh, the package. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. I feel so bougie right now, hands down. I feel bougie. Let's try this on. First impressions on camera right now. OMG. I freaking love it. Oh my god. I love it. I freaking love it. Oh. I don't know how to act right now. I love it. It's like this maroony red color. And oh my god. I need more of these like right now. It's so like soft. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. This is Nathan's room, by the way. I apologize for the mess. He's a messy boy. Hashtag go Raiders, they suck. This was worth my money. I'm gonna try on the blushes in another video, so stay tuned for that. Rare Beauty, if you're seeing this, I absolutely love all your products. I love your products so much. I love them. I feel so pretty. I'm literally about to go order more of these lip balms right now. I'm not gonna even lie.